CHARTGPT. What's the most beginner-friendly side hustle I can start today with $0 and no audience? Imagine this. You're sitting at home, broke, frustrated, scrolling through another YouTube rabbit hole wondering, how the heck do people make money online? Consistently, without scamming, without coding, and without already being rich. Now stop right there. Because what if I told you that the secret is not some new $997 course, but literally 4 questions you ask an AI chatbot called ChartGPT? Yeah, I know that sounds crazy. But this isn't just any gimmicky AI tool. It's like having a 24/7 money-making assistant trained on every proven online business strategy, and it's free. Here's what no one's telling you. You don't need a genius-level IQ or a big audience, you need better questions. Simulate them because the quality of your questions will determine the quality of your income in 2025. And today, I'm going to give you the 4 exact questions that can change your life, just like it did for me. No fluff, no hype. Just plug in these prompts, follow what ChartGPT says, and watch how fast things start to shift. But let's rewind a second. A year ago, I was lost. I had $7 in my account. Rent was due. My phone was cracked. I had no coding skills, no connections. And I sure as heck didn't have the confidence to start a YouTube channel or some complex business. So I did what most people do. I searched for answers, clicked video after video, fell for a few sketchy affiliate courses, tried flipping t-shirts, failed hard. Then I stumbled across something different. A faceless YouTuber talking about this AI bot called ChartGPT. He said, ask it smart questions, and it gives you money-making answers. At first I laughed, but then I got curious. What kind of questions? So I asked it the first question you're going to ask today. ChartGPT. What's the most beginner-friendly side hustle I can start today with $0 and no audience? Within seconds, it gave me a step-by-step method for setting up a faceless TikTok account using free viral scripts, AI voiceovers, and trending affiliate offers. It told me which niche was exploding, what hashtags to use, and how to post 3 times a day without burning out. I followed it. Day 1, 0 views. Day 2, 187 views. Day 7, 310 views and 4 sales. That week I made $98, the next week $473. A month later I hit $2,100, and it all started from 1 question. So let's move to the second question, the one that scales everything up. Ask. ChartGPT, how can I automate this process and turn it into a system that works even when I sleep? This is where things get spicy. ChartGPT mapped out a full automation stack. AI video generators, captioning bots, auto-posting tools, even responses for DMs to close affiliate sales faster. This isn't lazy, this is leverage. You build systems that don't take time, they give you time. But here's where most people stop. They get a little traction and think they've made it. Don't be that person. Because the third question reveals how to go from side hustle cash to long-term income. Ask. ChartGPT, how do I turn this hustle into a real brand that people trust and buy from consistently? It'll blow your mind. ChartGPT shows you how to find your unique voice, even if you stay anonymous, how to build simple landing pages that convert like crazy, what email sequences to use, and how to position yourself as the go-to solution, not just a random affiliate. Suddenly, you're not chasing views, you're building equity. You're not a content creator, you're a digital asset builder. And finally, the fourth question, the one no one's asking but changes everything. Ask ChartGPT, what would you do if you had to make $10,000 online in 30 days with my exact skills, situation, and tools? This prompt makes the AI think like you. It doesn't give you generic advice. It gives you custom strategy. When I asked this, it told me to double down on YouTube Shorts, stack affiliate offers with YouTube automation, and use my email list to push limited-time offers that solve urgent problems. Days later, 11,893. That's not typical. That's intentional. And it started by asking the right questions. Listen, we're not in 2010 anymore. You don't get paid for working harder. You get paid for solving bigger problems faster, and AI helps you do that. ChartGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a shortcut to online income if you know how to talk to it. But here's the twist. Most people won't use it. They'll watch this video, nod their heads, maybe copy one prompt, and then go back to scrolling. Don't be that person. Take 15 minutes. Open ChatGPT. Paste in those 4 questions. Read what it says, then actually execute it. If you do, you're already ahead of 98% of people. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and AI won't replace you. But a person using AI smarter than you, that will. You've got the tool, you've got the prompts, and now you've got 0 excuses. So go, build, test, iterate, make mistakes, come back, ask better questions, make more money. Because the only thing standing between you and a full-time online income is the next question you ask. If you want more of these exact prompts and AI tools that actually pay, hit subscribe, drop a comment with "Show me the prompts," and I'll send you a full prompt vault that no one else is sharing. Let's make 2025 the year you finally broke free. I'll see you in the next one.